Okay, I'm coming.
This one here caught fire 2 days ago.
Oh, really?
Went down, yeah. All this, the fire came
Hi.
too close to our.
So if we didn't have the stones,
Yeah. If we didn't have.
And the family of Word of Life, we appreciate your blessing and your time to invest at Grace Spiritual Center. And so far, the work is going on. When he's hopefully we'll see you when you'll be coming. It's so nice to have you. To have friends like you and the Word of Life Church. Yeah.
so I think we can see here, it was where it used to, there used to be the wall. And so this just used to be the dirt area.
Yes. Yes.
And all this we've built.
The new building.
The new structures,
Yes. Yes.
the new conference halls,
Yes.
guest rooms,
Yes.
classrooms on the bottom.
Yes.
And then this is the
The playground and the assembling place.
playground,
Yes.
indoor soccer. So what do you say, how is it different now than from when you first started?
It is now a city. It is now a city.
A city.
And very secure. It's now a city and secure. You know, the wall is all around. Yeah. The community is very excited about what's going on. They're wondering what the mighty God is. Are we serving? And indeed we have a mighty God. Yeah.
How many students will be able to fit inside the school now?
We have a big space. Even if they came 500 and above, the space is there.
500.
Even if they came 500 and above, the space is there.
This whole section that we added is right here. And this upstairs section is many rooms that Charles just informed me. These rooms he intends to use for teams. So we can see inside here. Haponin! Chai kitam! Ah, sawa. Somali? Habari pasta. Iniingia.
Blessings, blessings, word of life. Blessings, the Bellicos. Blessings, Andrew Bellicos. We are praying that God will give you a wonderful wife, you Bellico, you Andrew.
I'm not putting that in. I'm gonna cut that out.
You have to remove that one.
So